Welcome, and welcome to the city of Smart.
As a city, we also understand the importance of partnerships.
We absolutely are looking to deliver against the ambition.
Our ambition is to reach and improve the life of every person in Sunderland.
No one and nowhere left behind.
It's always been a priority of mine and of this project that no one and nowhere is left behind.
We've upgraded digital infrastructure and rolled out free ultra-fast public Wi-Fi, with download speeds surpassing other 5G cities.
5G is essential for teleoperations, and we couldn't simply do this project without 5G.
We want to achieve great things for the city.
This isn't just a story about education and a story about a school. It's actually a story about people.
It's about person to person, team to team, organisation to organisations.
Driven by a desire to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities and long-term illness across Sunderland.
Because of the breadth of ambition of this project, where no one and nowhere is left behind, we believe that this is a first of its kind partnership.
It matches our own passion for doing things through and good things through technology.
Technology isn't a static entity.
We call it technology-enabled care, and it's very important that I stress the word care. Our work is all about the human, and we believe that technology enables us to better care for our customers.
So in terms of making an advanced smart city, and why is it important for the future of any city? Many people will ask that question, and I think the best way to describe it would be as layers that build upon one another, and until ultimately you get a range of digital services that transform outcomes for different communities right across the city.
We're a school in an area suffering from what I would call digital poverty. And if you're a child in school now or a parent trying to do anything, without Wi-Fi, you are really, really left behind.
So this is where BAI's expertise does come in and come to bear.
I think this partnership that you're learning about today is providing the means of access for all of you here to accelerate Sunderland towards being that true exemplar of a global smart city.
So the commitment to the city is not just as a network or a connectivity partner, but also as a technology and innovation partner.
We've identified many other use cases looking at port-centric logistics, airports, rail ports, distribution centres.
Our involvement with this Smart City initiative has given us the opportunity to really show what can be achieved with the right blend of human and technological expertise.
The Sunderland Smart City journey is accelerating, and it's accelerating at pace.
Technology connects us and not divides us.
We're here, as I mentioned, very much for the long term.
They're able to provide the rocket fuel we need to become the exemplar of a smart city that I trust we all want to be.
So we've got an opportunity in this region to actually take the lead for the UK around advanced manufacturing using 5G and digital technologies.
For me, success is where we've actually delivered on what we said we would do, and we've created a showcase here that others should be very envious of.
5 years' time, I want to talk about the stories. I want to be able to talk about impact on health, education, skills.
I want to end the digital divide. I just don't want any child, any family left behind.
I always talk about getting better never stops, and this partnership is about that. We are helping our city to prosper and to grow, and getting better shouldn't stop.
Really, let's try our very best, because it takes all of us, to make Sunderland simply the best place to live, to work in, visit and invest in.
But I do feel that what we're doing here is groundbreaking.
This is only the beginning.